Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today, it is time, guys. It's time that we redo the dining room. It's about 5 months late, so let's get decorating. So if you've been here for any amount of time, blueberries are my go-to in January. Like after Christmas, then we put out blueberries. And they're only supposed to last until about the end of February, but we're now in July. So we've got to get rid of the blueberries. I know that blueberries are currently in season, like people are eating them, but these are frosted blueberries. They're winter. This is winter. So we got to get rid of it, and we've got to get some bright colors in here and make it look more summery. So this will go for a few months. I don't know. Let me know. Do you guys decorate? Do you change your decor like this? This is the only room that I really do this in. Everything else pretty much stays the same. Like there's a couple of season changes, obviously, but not like I do in here. So I enjoy it. I have fun with it. We are gonna keep the same placemats under the chargers this time. It's not ideal, but it'll be fine. I'll get over it. I reuse my chargers every time I decorate, and I just make sure that I have something that will work with that color. Something else I'm doing different, I've never done before, is I have 2 different color napkins. So I'm excited for that because that'll be fun little addition, spice it up a little bit. I just take my napkins. So many people are like, how do you do your napkins? I just take it like this. I love these scalloped edges. I got these from Kirklands. And then hold it like this and put the napkin ring around it. Isn't that so cute? That just brings so much joy. Look at these bright, fun colors. Okay, here we go. So many times I've gone to get like napkins or the napkin rings, and they haven't had 8. I have a set table for 8, which we do use this table mainly for dinners, like our family Sunday dinners, but we use it a lot as just the family of 4 as well. And so that's why I love that you can mix and match. And also, like, you can mix and match the things that you already have. So maybe you want to use these napkins with these napkin rings, but you want to change the look up. You could just not put the green charger and use a white charger instead, or vice versa. So, you know, you don't have to feel like you have to always go out and buy things. I don't buy new every season. This one, I just so happened to do that because I wanted to add some brighter colors this time. So my cameraman just reminded me that a lot of people might not know what a charger is. This is a charger, it's not a plate. And we don't eat on them. So some people might they might move the napkin and then use this and put their hot plate on top of it. We don't do that. We just move the whole place setting. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's just what we do. So if you do this, how do you make it work for your family? The cool thing, we actually had a meeting here one time, and one of our tax man, he was like, you know, I went home and I told my wife, we need to do this. My client does this, and they don't have anything piled up on their dining room table. And so he thought it was the coolest idea to have the table set all the time. He's like, and it works. You don't clutter anything. I'm like, oh yeah, no, I couldn't handle that. This is where you walk into my home. I would see it all the time. Like that would drive me crazy. So I always have a set table. Another question I get asked a lot is, where do you store everything? And that's what the buffet is for. So I have all of my different chargers and my napkins in both sides of the buffet. So when I want to refill it with new things, I'm gonna have to come and empty the old things out. But I've been using the same stuff for quite a few years now. I have all my party decor in boxes, and some of it's organized. It's like organized chaos. You can find these types of things on clearance at different places, or you could go on Amazon. They also have a lot of these type things, but you'll notice I have unopened ones. That's for after the season. Like after Christmas, I might see something and I'll just get it on clearance for the next Christmas and save a little money, but still have a cute house. Asa got me this vase from a restaurant called the Columbia in St. Augustine. It's probably my favorite restaurant in St. Augustine. And yesterday when I bought all of the stuff, I brought it home and I was like, oh my gosh, my vase matches perfectly. And then one of my good friends sent me flowers today. So it was like everybody was working together to pull off this look. It's not a vase, but I'm still using it as a vase this time because I think it's pretty. My mother-in-law Donna got these for me at a very high-end store, and every time she comes in she talks about them and notices that I have them on my table. So I love that people think about me and want to make my house pretty with me. Okay, doesn't it look like a little fiesta? It makes you want to have fun in here. We're getting there. Isaiah was giving me a hard time about this and said he had never seen a flower like that in the wild. I feel like he just hasn't been out in the wild enough because it has to be a real flower. Just like that, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's so cute, right? It's simple, but like fun, and adds a little character with, you know, the little details. It's all in the small details, guys. So thank you so much for hanging out once again. Thanks for decorating with me. Let me know what you think about it. And I'd love to hear if you guys switch it up as often as I do, although we have had this since right after Christmas. So I did good. I mean, I didn't do it on purpose, but thank y'all so much. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.